Alright, here we go again. B&J's Custom. Right here we got a 86 C10. Let me give you a little shot of it. Sharp bed. Got a 305 coming out. I didn't get no videos earlier, but there it is. We got it on its way out. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Look like it's been in there for a while. We're gonna pull it out. And then we got this, if you've been watching my videos, we got this 5.3 right here that I've been building for the past couple days, me and the customer. Got this 5.3, all new pistons in there, new lifters, lifter trays. Got a crank in there. I can't remember the make of the crank right now, but here it is. Still got to throw an oil pan on this. Got the fresh cam grease down in there. No timing chain on the front. Get you a good look at it. There it is. Got a new timing chain, new oil pump, new cam, all that. So pretty much, I'm gonna be pulling this 305 out, and I'm gonna be putting this. We're gonna be putting this 5.3 in here. Customer got a 60E transmission over here in this corner. And that's pretty much just a quick update. This is gonna be if you heard my last video, it's gonna be a father-son deal. This is the son's truck. I'm gonna be doing the dad's truck later on. But dad gonna be getting a 6.0 with all new fresh parts in it. 6.0 with a 80E. But here it is. Just giving you a shot of this here, showing you what I got going on. I'll probably come back later when I get it all the way out. We out. All right, here we go. B&J's Custom. Just giving y'all a shot of it. This is build 1 of the 2 short bed projects. Getting ready to paint and get it prepped right now. We're getting it taped up and ready to paint it. This one here is a 6.0. And we have the other one over here. This one here is a 5.3. Got it taped up. Getting ready to paint it. Got everything torqued down. All pan on, heads on. It's 2 engines, but I'm just gonna call it build 1, part 1 of the C10, the 2 C10 swaps. Just giving y'all a little video of that. I might come back later when they all painted up. Or I might just end the video right here. So like I always say, it's B&J's Custom. Get that man my contacts for any work, comments, information you need. Want to build your own engine? I'll let you build your own engine. I'll just watch you, guide you through it. But there it is, 5.3. Got 6.0 right here. This one here, it's torqued down, ready to go. I pulled the engine on one of the short beds the other day. I'm gonna be pulling the engine on the other short bed sometime in this week or next week sometime. I'm trying to do them both together. But again, it's B&J's Custom in Dallas, Texas. We out.